Welcome to this guided journey meditation focusing on embracing your inner confidence and personal power. Let's begin by finding our way home to ourselves. Whether this is your first time meditating or you've been practicing for years, you belong here exactly as you are. There's nothing you need to fix or change about yourself to deserve this moment of peace and self-connection. Take a moment now to set your intention for this practice. Perhaps it's to feel more grounded in your own strength, or to remember the author within you who writes your life story. Whatever brought you here is perfect. Let's create a container of safety and openness together. You might close your eyes or soften your gaze downward. Allow your body to settle into whatever position feels most supportive right now. Notice that you're here, present, ready to receive whatever this practice offers. Begin by taking 3 gentle breaths with me. On your first inhale, breathe in possibility. On your exhale, release anything that doesn't serve you in this moment. Second breath now. Breathe in your natural capacity for courage. Let the exhale carry away doubt or hesitation. One more breath. Inhale your innate wisdom. Exhale and settle into this present moment where everything you need already exists within you. Notice how your body feels right now. There's no need to change anything. Simply acknowledge what's here. Your shoulders, your heart space, your belly. This body that carries you through each day with such dedication. Now bring to mind our guiding words for today. I am confident. I am powerful. I am the author of my own cosmic tale. Don't worry about believing these words completely right now. Instead, let them rest in your awareness like seeds planted in fertile soil. They don't need to grow immediately. They simply need space to exist. Let's explore what confidence might feel like in your body. Perhaps it's a warmth in your chest or a gentle straightening of your spine. Maybe it's a softening around your eyes or a deepening of your breath. Confidence isn't about being loud or certain. It's about being present with yourself, exactly as you are. Now, turn your attention to the word powerful. What does your kind of power feel like? Not the power that dominates or controls, but the power that flows from knowing yourself deeply. The power that comes from treating yourself with the same tenderness you'd offer a dear friend. Your power might feel like stillness. It might feel like the ability to stay present when life feels uncertain. Or perhaps it's the courage to be vulnerable, to show up authentically even when it's scary. Let this sense of your own gentle power fill your awareness. Notice how it doesn't need to prove itself. It simply is. I am the author of my own cosmic tale. Rest with these words now. You are indeed writing your story, moment by moment, choice by choice. Not from a place of pressure or burden, but from the recognition that you have agency in how you meet each experience. Consider the chapters you've already written, the challenges you've faced with whatever grace you could muster, the moments of joy you've allowed yourself to fully receive, the ways you've grown and changed, often without even realizing it. You are both the author and the main character of this beautiful, complex story that is your life. And like any good story, it has plot twists, moments of struggle, and surprising revelations about your own strength. Let's return to our mantra one more time. I am confident. I am powerful. I am the author of my own cosmic tale. As you repeat these words silently, notice what happens in your body. Do you feel more spacious, more grounded? Perhaps there's a subtle shift in how you're sitting or breathing. This is your confidence speaking, not as a loud voice, demanding attention, but as a quiet knowing that you can trust yourself, that you have everything you need to meet whatever comes next. Your power isn't something you need to earn or prove. It's already here, woven into the very fabric of who you are. It's present in your ability to be kind to yourself, to learn from your mistakes, to keep showing up even when things feel difficult. As we prepare to complete this practice together, take a moment to appreciate yourself for being here, for taking this time to connect with your inner wisdom and strength. This is an act of self-love, and it matters more than you might realize. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. If your eyes were closed, gently open them when you're ready. Notice how you feel now compared to when we began. You might feel more centered, more connected to yourself, or simply more present. Whatever you notice is exactly right. Remember that confidence and personal power aren't destinations you arrive at once and never leave. They're qualities you can return to again and again, especially during times when you forget your own strength. You are the author of your cosmic tale, and the next chapter begins now. Trust yourself to write it with both courage and compassion. I wish you the deep knowing of your own inherent worth and the gentle courage to live from that truth. Stay mindful, friends.